apply a texture and picture background. In PowerPoint, you can add a background style to your presentation. A background style is a background fill made up of different combinations of theme colors. Follow these steps for applying texture and picture to your background. Go to the Design tab. Place the mouse on the background group and click on Background Styles. Then choose Format Background from the bottom of the gallery. The Format Background dialog box appears. In the Fill group, check the Picture or Texture Fill option button. Click on the Texture button. These are predefined themes. Then pick your desired texture that you wish to use as a background. Now, the slide background has changed. And finally, click the Close button. To use a picture as a slide background, you can also have a background with a pattern or a picture. PowerPoint 2007 has several different patterns and pictures that you can apply to a presentation. Here are the steps. Go to the Design tab. Point to the Background group. Click Background Styles. The gallery is opened with sample styles. You have to click the Format Background command, and then choose Picture or Texture Fill. Here I am going to concentrate only on 3 buttons. They are File. It is used to insert a picture from a file. We'll discuss this briefly later. And Clipboard, that helps to paste an image from the Windows clipboard. To use Clipboard, you must have images copied to the clipboard. Only then will it be activated. Clipart contains some cartoon pictures. When you click this button, it shows a dialog box which contains Clipart images. Choose the image and then click OK. Immediately, it is applied to the slide as a background. You can also pick the images from our computer. For that, click the File button and go to your folder in which you store the images. Choose the picture that you wish to insert. Click the Insert button. Now the picture is applied as a slide background. And finally, click on the Close button. Now you are experienced with applying backgrounds using pictures and textures. Add and review comments. A comment is a note that you can attach to a letter or word on a slide, or to an entire slide. Use comments when you want people to review and provide feedback on a presentation you created, or when colleagues ask for your feedback on a presentation. On that slide you want to add a comment to, do one of the following. Select a text on which you wish to make a comment. Go to the Review tab, move the mouse to the Comments group, and click New Comment. Now a small yellow box appears. Type your comment inside the box. When you are finished, click the mouse outside the box. The comment is hidden, but the markup icon is displayed. This is also called the comment indicator. If you want to activate the comment box, just point the mouse to the markup icon. Moving between comments. If you want to apply this option, your slide must have more than one comment. Here I will explain how to navigate from one comment to another. To move between comments, go to the Review tab, and in the Comments group there are 2 buttons related to navigation. If you want to navigate to the previous comment, click the Previous button. If you want to navigate to the next comment, click the Next button. Toggling the markup. To read comments that reviewers have added to your presentation, do the following. Go to the Review tab, move the mouse pointer to the Comments group. Click Show Markup, and the comment indicators will be hidden. Click Show Markup again, and the comment indicators will be shown. Now you are familiar with adding, moving, and toggling comments.